How to create sticky navigation bar in your Shopify store. If you have installed Debut theme, then this video will help you out. So you have no need to worry about the coding. You only need to copy and paste the code and then you are done. So you can see that currently the header is sticky. So that means this is working fine. If I am refreshing this page, then this will not work. Why? Because I have removed the code. So I will be adding in this video so that you get to know that how you can do it yourself. I have already written a blog post. I will be adding link below in the description so that you should click on it and copy the code from here. All right, so the first step is go to theme, then action, then layout, then theme.liquid. So here I have the dashboard of the Shopify store. Currently you can see that the Debut theme is installed. Now you need to click on action, then click on edit code, and then after you will be getting some files and folders. Here you can see that I have the folder of layout. Just click on it and then we have theme.liquid. So you should click on this file and here you need to find head tag, closing head tag actually. So down below you can see that this is head tag actually. If you are finding here by using Control F, then you should write here head and you will get two head. Maybe you can also write like this. So this way you will get the perfect tag. All right, so this is the head tag, which is closing head tag. You need to paste the code just above it. So here in the blog post you should copy this code from here. Let me copy it and here I need to paste. So I have pasted that code. Now I need to save these changes and let me refresh this page again. Here you can see that the navigation bar is sticky. For example, I am seeing this on mobile view. So currently you can see that in the mobile view, still it is sticky. For example, you don't want that in mobile view, it should not be sticky, but in desktop view, it should be sticky. So how you can manage? You only need to replace that code with this new code. So I'm going to copy this one and let me paste it over here. So again, I am going to replace that code with a new code, and then you need to save these changes, and once you are done, then you need to refresh this page again. So here you can see that now the header is not sticky. So that means if I am testing it on desktop, this is sticky, but in mobile view this will never be the sticky one. All right, so for example you wanted to keep it sticky on both desktop view and mobile view, then you should replace the old code, that is this one. So this is simple code. I am going to replace that with this new code. All right, then save the changes and then refresh this page again. Now you will see that in the desktop view as well as in the mobile view the header is sticky. All right, so here you can see that the header is sticky. So this is one of the best way which you can actually use to make your header sticky if you have installed Debut theme. If you have any other theme, then you can also message me. I will be helping you out in solving that problem as well. You have no need to worry about purchasing a new app for solving this issue. So if you are thinking this video works for you, then please like this video, also subscribe this channel, and if you have any other question, then comment me in the comment section so that I get to know that which problem you need to solve. Thank you so much once again. See you in the next video.